Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you about 5 pumping mistakes that can be very dangerous for you. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Number 1. Choosing the wrong flange. 80% of moms use the wrong flange size. To get the right size, measure your nipple properly. Number 2. Using too much suction. Do you think higher suction will produce more milk? Wrong. Too much suction can actually stop milk flow. Number 3. Missing your pumping schedule. Are you pumping only 3 times a day? Doing this can reduce your milk supply. Number 4. Not massaging your breast before pumping. If you don't massage before pumping, you could be losing 30% of your milk output. Number 5. Not cleaning the pump properly. It's essential to wash your pump thoroughly after every use. If you avoid these mistakes, your milk supply will improve. For more such important information, subscribe to the channel. See you in the